Here is the latest update for the Andhra Pradesh TET examination 2021. The government has released a government order for the conducting of AP TET for the year 2021. It has declared the eligibility details, exam pattern, syllabus, time duration and other things. From the official sources, we can say that the TET notification of Andhra Pradesh may release in the month of May and the examination may be in the month of July 2021. Here if you see, the details are like this. If you observe the highlights of the AP TET 2021, in the state every year the TET will be conducted only once. From this TET onwards, for English proficiency, questions will be given importance. For the SGT teachers to teach from 1 to 5 classes, paper 1A will be conducted. For 6 to 8 classes teachers, school assistant, paper 2A will be conducted. The candidates writing paper 2 can also write paper 1. For the special schools, paper 1B and paper 2B will be conducted. The notification will be released in the month of May and exam will be in the month of July. And if you observe the eligibility details for paper 1A AP TET 2021, the candidate should have completed 2 years of DEd course or 4 years of BEd course or 2 years of special education diploma or BEd. OC candidate should have 50% of marks in the inter, degree and PG. SC, ST, BC should have 45% of marks in inter, degree and PG. The candidates, those who have completed BEd and DED before 2010, August 23rd should have 45% of marks for OC and 40% of marks for BC, ST and physically handicapped students. Eligibility for paper 2A AP TET 2021 is OC candidate should have 50% of marks, SC, ST, BC, physically handicapped should have 40% of marks, should have completed BEd, 50% of marks for OC and 45% of marks for SC, ST, BC, physically handicapped candidates is must. Eligibility for the language teachers. The language teachers should have completed BOL in the language. There must be PG, should have completed Pandit training. Total questions will be 150, total marks will be 150, total time will be 2.5 hours. And the syllabus if you see, child development, pedagogy, language 1, language 2, English, mathematics, environmental subjects will be there for paper 1. And there will be 30 questions and 30 marks. In paper 2A, child development, language 1, language 2, English, each has 30 questions and 30 marks. For math, science, social, Telugu, Urdu, Odia, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Sanskrit subjects, for each there will be 60 questions and 60 marks. In the paper 2B, there will be child development, language 1, language 2 and disability specialization. And the student has to secure the following percentage of marks in TET to eligible for DSC: OC 60%, BC 50%, SC 40%, ST 40%, ex-servicemen 20%, physically handicapped 40%. Weightage of marks will be TET 20%, DSC 80%. Selection process. The candidates are selected through the merit list by adding 20% of marks from TET and 80% of marks from DSC. The notification is going to release soon. We will update the notification from here in this website. Please follow the website. In order to read these details completely, you can click the link given in the description. Thank you.